Hey everybody, welcome back to Gray County Grilling. This is Chris, and tonight we are using the Actifry. Not really grilling, I know, but when you're doing chicken wings in the Actifry, hey, no one's going to say anything. We're doing some buffalo wings in the Actifry tonight. I'll show you how we season the wings up and how to make a really simple buffalo sauce, so stick around. Here's the chicken wings. They're just store-bought, already split chicken wings, nothing fancy about them at all. Let's get them into the bowl. Take the paper off the back, we don't need that. Get them down there. Okay. Hey, and I'm gonna season them with Frank's Red Hot Original Seasoning, the perfect blend of flavor and heat. Picked this up at Costco a week and a half, 2 weeks ago maybe, and we tried it on some French fries. Turned out pretty good, so I'd like to get some chicken wings seasoned with it. There we go, that looks good. Okay, we're gonna get them over to the Actifry. Here's the Actifry XL, and it's really just as simple as dumping the wings in, like so. Oh, he did not want to go in. Dumping the wings in like so, closing the lid. Probably should make sure it's plugged in first. And we're going to set it for 35 minutes. There she goes, and in 35 minutes we should have some crispy, flavorful wings. We'll head on over to the stove now and I'll show you how to make a really simple buffalo wing sauce. A good buffalo sauce is really easy to make. All you need is butter and some of your favorite Louisiana Style hot sauce. In this case, I just went with good old Frank's Red Hot. I put that stuff on everything. I don't want to swear. So all you need to do is just wait for your butter to melt. You need about 2 tablespoons. I may have eyeballed it a little on the heavy side because butter makes everything better. So now we're just going to sit and wait, let this butter melt, then we will add the hot sauce in. And once the butter is melted down, you just add your hot sauce in. And whisk it together. And you'll notice that the Frank's goes from a red color to a nice orange. That orange that you'll recognize from your everyday buffalo sauce. Alright, that's all there is to it. Now we're just going to wait for those wings to get done, and then we will throw our buffalo sauce on them. Okay, wings are done. They look pretty darn good, I think. Awesome looking color on them, so let's hope the taste matches how they look. And then you just dump the buffalo sauce in, like so. Put the lid on, and give them a bit of a toss. Ooh, there's a lot of heat coming out of there. Okay, I'm going to pull one out, give it a quick taste. Making my mouth water to smell. Well, how does that look? All right. That is a killer buffalo wing. Holy man. The skin on the chicken is crispy. The flavor of the buffalo sauce, the Frank's seasoning just pop right out. Oh, those are really, really good. Well, if you like this video, then hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.